Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Ecobee Thermostat app, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Ecobee Thermostat app, first, ensure you have the latest version of the app installed on. Open the Ecobee app on your smartphone or tablet. If you already have an Ecobee account, tap on the login option. Enter your registered email address and password in the provided fields. If you forgot your password, select the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. Once your credentials are entered, tap the Login button. If this is your first time setting up, select Create an account instead. Fill out the necessary information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to accept. Tap on Sign Up to create your new account. After signing up, a verification email will be sent to your registered email address. Open your email and locate the verification email from Ecobee. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Return to the app and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, the app may prompt you to set up your thermostat if it's not already linked. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your thermostat to your account. You will need to input the unique registration code found on your thermostat screen. After entering the code, tap Next to proceed with the setup. The app will now authenticate your thermostat and display its status. You should now have complete access to your Ecobee thermostat through the app. If you encounter any issues, double-check your Wi-Fi connection and account details. You are now ready to manage your home's temperature remotely using the Ecobee app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.